Welcome to Buy the Best Thing channel. Hey everyone, in this video we're going to take a look at top 5 best AI robots thing. We get start with our video. We have included link in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is your budget range. Number 1, the Amazon Astro. Astro is a robot. And that part is really cool. Astro has some impressive wheels, which let the 17-inch tall robot nimbly follow you around the house while playing music or streaming your favorite show. It also has 2 cameras that it uses to find people and places in your home to deliver items, reminders, or timers. It can act as a security guard and patrol your home when paired with a Ring subscription, and it can fart and burp. In short, the Astro does everything Amazon's smart home products and services already do. Number 2, Sphero Best Home Robot. The first Star Wars robot toy produced by our collaboration with Disney was the Sphero BB8 droid. Sphero BB8, a recreation of the BB8 robot from Star Wars, The Force Awakens and its successors, still has a special place in our hearts. Bluetooth smart connection allowing gyroscopic propulsion to a 30 range. Induction charging stand providing 60-minute battery life. Compatible with the Force band for control via gestures. Free iOS and Android compatible apps allow adaptive personality and view holographic recordings. Sphero BB8 could explore on its own, display holographic records, and portray a variety of facial expressions. Spark your creativity with Amazon to keep the fun going. Number 3, MiP Arcade Robot. The robot is an upgraded model from the MiP Robot award-winning self-balancing interactive robot, packed with fun and games, personality and cool dance moves. 20+ app-enabled games and RC modes, plus bonus screenless games. Challenge friends, and it features more than 20 games and 80 expressions and emotions. Family with multiplayer arcade games like Basketball Versus and Trade Pancake Stack. Who will win? Brain Train games, test your mind, memory, and reflexes. Includes games like Reaction Game, Padlock, Color Match, and Shake Shake. Number 4, Wonder Workshop Robot. It's designed for learning, engineered for fun. At Wonder Workshop, our family of award-winning robots and age-appropriate apps encourage hands-on play and learning to make creative problem-solving concrete and tangible. Our vision is to inspire kids of all ages by giving them tools to imagine and invent the future. Number 5, LiangMu Building Robot. It is a 6-legged walking robot. Hat is able to express a variety of feelings. The octopus robot has equipped with a powerful electric motor, which enables the robot to walk on the ground floor.
If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and like our video.